How to download and install Cisco WebEx on Windows PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Cisco WebEx on your Windows PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Make sure that you have your internet connection. After that, you need to go with search and search for webex.com/download and press the enter. It will take you to this kind of interface. Now, if you want to download, then you just need to simply go with for Windows 64-bit. So you need to click on the download, go with the top right, which is the arrow option, and it will start installing. So wait for a few seconds. Once it's installed, you just need to simply go with agree. And from here, you can go with sign up or sign in. If you already have an account, you can go with sign in, enter the email address. After that, go with next. Now go with open and you need to enter the code. So you just need to simply go with the code that you've received on your browser. Enter the code right here on the application and it will sign you in. Or if you don't have an account, you can go with create account and you'll be able to create an account on WebEx. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.